Hello Minglaba and welcome back food lovers. Today I have a noodle salad dish called Nan Gyi Thoke. Nan Gyi refers to the thick rice noodles used and thok is a general term used for salads. It can basically be described as a noodle and chicken salad, although like most Burmese dishes, the addition of crunchy accompaniments takes it to another level. This is a street food style dish and vendors always give you a free bowl of chicken broth soup to accompany the noodles. This dish is also sometimes called mongti and originates from Mandalay, formerly Myanmar's second capital. Allegedly, this is a favourite dish with the ladies, although I don't know why because I'm a fella and I like to eat it just as much. Let's go through the list of ingredients. The first thing that we're going to make is the chicken broth soup, so let's go through the ingredients for that. 2 chicken wings, 4 cloves of garlic, a piece of sliced ginger, 500 ml of water, some sea salt, a chicken stock cube, and some celery leaves. To make the soup, add in all the ingredients into a pan. Then put the lid on and leave to boil for 40 minutes. After that time, the soup is ready. Now on to making the Nan Gyi Thoke. Let's go through the ingredients that we'll need for that. 1 chicken breast, half a chopped onion, cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, cooking oil, 2 chopped tomatoes, a sliced boiled egg, chickpea flour, coriander, 1 lime, fish sauce, shredded cabbage, some bean sprouts, crispy fried rice noodles, fish or prawn crackers, and finally 2 packets of ready prepared udon noodles. So the other bit of cooking that we need to do is to cook the chicken curry sauce. Because this dish uses noodles and a meat sauce, it has also been equated to be the Burmese equivalent of spaghetti bolognese. Firstly, saute the onions in some oil until the onions become soft and translucent. Then add in the chicken, the tomatoes and the turmeric and pepper spices, and also a pinch of salt. Then stir for about 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. It's that easy. So that's all the cooking we have to do. All we need to do now is to assemble the Nan Gyi Thoke. To do that, firstly empty the udon noodles into a large bowl. If you want to heat them up, you can microwave them for about 30 seconds. Then pour in the still warm chicken curry. Squeeze in the lime juice. Add in the chickpea flour. Incidentally, if you toast the chickpea flour for about 5 minutes before adding in, it brings out a more nutty flavour. Finally, add in the rest of the ingredients, which is a teaspoon of fish sauce, the cabbage, green sprouts and coriander, the crunchy rice noodles, and optional chili oil. Give a good stir until all the ingredients are mixed together and the Nan Gyi Thoke is ready. Serve the Nan Gyi Thoke with a bowl of chicken broth soup. And add the sliced egg and fish crackers as accompaniments. So that's how you make Burmese Nan Gyi Thoke. As always, thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning a new language as well as cooking, then I would recommend Rocket Languages. I've left a link for a free trial in the comments below. See you next time!